afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm alright. My name is Moswane Mafule Molen, the General Secretary of Faculty of Best Advisory. We are in a career hunt. What we are doing is to ask people about the careers they are pursuing. Would you please tell us your name and what you are doing at this university?
My name is Kwinya Taruvinga. At this university, I'm doing a Bachelor of Arts, majoring in International Relations and Media Studies.
What is that all about? Would you please share with us more information a little bit about that?
Okay, international relations basically has to do with countries, how they work together in terms of diplomacy. So we study foreign policy, we study the cultures from different countries and just how those countries interact together and how they build the international community.
Okay.
And then media studies is just the study of the media. We study technology, newspapers, like what constitutes a newspaper story, what makes a newspaper basically.
So what made you choose this course? What made you choose this career?
I chose my career basically on the fact that in terms of international relations, I'm from Zimbabwe, and the political situation in Zimbabwe sort of wanted me to make a better life for Zimbabweans. So I decided to major in international relations. And as for media studies, I also thought that the media in Zimbabwe was sort of primitive and backward. So I wanted to be more advanced and more inclined to what's going on around the world. So I chose media studies. That's why I chose this too.
So what advice can you give that somebody who like to follow the same career path as you?
Look, if you believe in yourself, most of all you have to believe in yourself, because like some people will tell you, what subject are you doing and why are you doing it? You have to love what you're doing. That's the first thing. If you love what you're doing, you just go for it. And if you love what you're doing, you will never have a problem because you have a passion for it.
For that child that has got they come from financially disadvantaged background, those that come in the remote rural areas and who feel like university is not for them, what advice, what motivation can you give that child?
Look, I think firstly there are lots of stuff like bursaries that are available. I'm sure if you talk to your high school teachers, they'll tell you about bursaries, and bursaries will help you get into university and they pay for your school fees. Yeah, you just, again, it goes back to believing in yourself. I think if you believe in yourself, I'm sure you can achieve anything. Half the stuff people have done, it's just been basically people who believed in themselves. All the successful people just didn't miraculously become successful. It was just that they believed in themselves and they just went out for what they believed in. So if you believe you're a capable university student, make the necessary steps to move forward, make the necessary steps to get into a university, inquire the different universities in South Africa, and things will work out for you.
Yes, indeed. If you can believe it, you can achieve it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we very much appreciate your participation in this program because this is meant to help people. This is meant to make a difference into that someone. This is meant to bring hope to the hopeless. And thank you, and we wish you everything of the best in your life.
Thank you very much, sir.
God bless you.
Yes, same to you, sir.